Hello beautiful, I'm back with another wig review, and this time I'm reviewing this unit from SOKU Hair. They are an Aliexpress hair store, and they sent over this fluffy kinky curly lace front wig, and it is 20 inches long and I have it in the color number 2. Now this unit comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. And this is the lace on this unit. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace off camera and add some powder in the part. And can we just talk about the texture on this wig? It is gorgeous. I'm loving these curls at the end. So beautiful. I'm using Got to Be glue to secure this unit. Then trimming the baby hairs. Applying some powder. And I'm going back in with the Got to Be glue to lay down the baby hairs. I'm loving the texture on this unit, but I have a really narrow face, so I need to flatten the roots down just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb, and I have it set at 15, so you can use heat on this unit. And this is the complete look, guys. I am loving the texture. Can we just talk about this texture? Gorgeous. This is a beautiful unit from SOKU. I will have all SOKU's information in the description box down below. That way you can check them out right now. And make sure you guys like this video as well. Comment down below and also subscribe if you're not subscribed. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.